Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the second part of the CapCut video series. If you remember, we left last class here, so we are going to continue from there. So as you can click on the clip, after clicking on the clip you are going to see the second option, which is called speed. You have to click on the normal. After clicking on normal, if you want to increase the video speed, you can do that. You can click on the 5x, 10x, 100x or 1x. It's up to you what speed, whatever speed you want to set. If you want to reduce the speed, make it slow, you can also make that. And after that you can click on the right. After clicking on the right, your video will be look like that. And then let's come to the back. You have another option which is called animation. If you want put animation on your video, you can also do that from here. You have to simply select the animation and then press on the right button. Okay, come to the back. Next we have a style option. We will use this option next time because we are focusing on the beginners option. So another option we have delete, which we discussed in the last class. After that we have camera tracking, volume. We are focusing on the volume. Here we have some advanced options. We will discuss that in the next class, or we will discuss about them, because we are currently focusing on the beginners editing settings and options. So after that we have volume option. If you want to increase the videos clips volume, you can do that. If you want to decrease videos clips, then you can also do that. Click on the right. After that you have another option which is called edit. You can edit that, you can rotate it, you can crop it, crop the clip. If you want to crop, you can also do that. So these are the basic options. Let's come to the back, reset, and then click on the right. Okay, so after that now we are going to cut out, overlay, basic, filters. You can click on the filters. After clicking on the filters, you will see some other options. Like if you want to add any filter, you can also do that. Simply you just have to select the filter. So I hope it's enough for today. I hope it's enough for today. About other options we will discuss in the next class. So see you in the next video.